In this tutorial I'm going to show you my technique for creating these summer sketches of flowers. Work from the distance to the foreground, from light to dark, and from thin to thick paint. Let the colours blend in to the wet paper. While the paper is still wet, add some detail into the background, some hedges in the fields and some trees. Objects in the distance are going to be more desaturated than those in the foreground. So the distant hills are blue, the trees and bushes in the foreground are much closer to green. With the masking fluid gone and the paper dry, add in the details. Again, let water do its work by blending the colours together. And that's it. 2 quick sketches. Summer flowers and a landscape. If you enjoyed it, if you learned something, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching.